So here I am in Odaiba, just about ready to head back to Tokyo. It's been a pretty long night tonight, but I'll show you guys a little bit about the vending machines here. Another video to show you all. And I gotta make a selection go on. I gotta decide what I want between Pocari Sweat. I don't even know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Aquarius, which I'm assuming is water. Aquarius Vitamin C, which I'm assuming is vitamin C water. Boss Coffee Rainbow, Mocha Coffee, the coffee, that. Straight tea. Oops, I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Straight tea. Sweat. I know what Pocari Sweat tastes like, so. Lemon tea, which is good.
Does it taste like sweat?
Not really. Boss Coffee Rainbow and then more coffees. So let's take some of our yen here. As you can see, well, let's put it in this bitch and let's go from there. Let's grab a lemon tea. Grab our change. Right there. You see? And there you have it. That is the Japanese vending machine.